asumisyhtiö Kuusaan Penninki, Maunukselantie 11, Kuusankoski, Kouvola, tekee se.
4 persons or 320 kilograms. Amazing Kone inverter.
Yeah.
But fast.
Yeah, and it's fast.
And the door's open.
And today it's the 28th of August 2019. It has 7 forks built in 1972, page 2, 8261. Kone also gifted it, it's more rare. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2020. Turning 50 years old in 2022.
And this is before 1974, so they have alignment.
Yeah,
stuff like that.
they are, yeah. But also I've seen it, I've filmed it in Italy and Spa Hotel. It has the automatic doors with these stop and
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, and 1974 it is, so it was so late.
There's actually no reason to replace this.
No, it's in good shape.
Yeah, and it's fast enough.
Yeah, of course.
It's
Yeah.
faster than the new elevators.
Yeah.
Of course it is.
Because
Yeah.
you don't have to wait for the slow automatic doors.
Yeah,
Inspecta bara kiva Inspecta. Maintain quality so nowadays practice.
And nice that you can see out of the window in the elevator.
Yeah.
oh yes, of course it's nice.
From the boostausikkuna.
Oh, true. Nice joke. We've been very successful in Kuusankoski today.
Yeah.
I think we have been like almost, or we're gonna get into almost everything that
Well,
there is here.
Maybe hour or half an hour more.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And then
we have to go.
in Kymmillin or whatever it is. I don't remember the place, the name of the place, but an old teollisuusalue.
What kind of lorry?
So there are 60s and 50s elevators.
Really?
Yeah.
That's
That's it.